In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from a Notion workspace. Whether you're managing a small team or a larger group, knowing how to effectively manage your workspace is crucial for maintaining productivity and organization. Removing members who no longer need access is a fundamental part of this process. Let's walk through this together, step by step, to ensure you can do it with ease. First, go ahead and open up Notion. You'll want to make sure you're signed in to the correct account that has the necessary permissions to manage the workspace members. Once you're in, navigate over to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll spot a button labeled Settings. Clicking on this will take you into the area where you can manage various aspects of your workspace configuration. Next, within the Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled People. Selecting this will reveal all users who have access to your workspace. This section is vital for overseeing who can view and edit your content, so it's good practice to know your way around it. Following this, look for the subsection titled Members. Clicking here will present a detailed list of every individual who currently has access to your workspace. This is the area where you can make any necessary changes, like removing a member who no longer requires access. When you find the person you wish to remove, you'll see a small arrow next to their name. Clicking this arrow will unveil additional options related to their membership status. One of the key options here is Remove from Workspace. By selecting this, you will initiate the process of revoking their access. At this point, you will be prompted to provide a reason for removing the member. While it may seem like a small step, providing context can be helpful for record keeping or if you need to explain the removal to others within your organization. Enter your reason here and proceed. After you've inputted a reason, you will see an option to Continue. Clicking on this will confirm that you wish to proceed with the removal process. It's kind of like a final checkpoint before making any permanent changes, so ensure everything is set up correctly. Finally, to complete the process, simply click on the Remove Member button. Once you click this, the member will be removed from your workspace, and they will no longer have access to any of its contents. And there you have it. Removing members from your Notion workspace is a straightforward process, but always make sure you have the proper permissions and that you're confident about the decision. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through managing your Notion workspace effectively.